Here we are on the Elizabeth River in Portsmouth, Virginia. Gonna do ourselves a huge crab boil today. We got a bushel of females, 80 bucks right off the boat. Gonna have a bunch of family over. Gonna do it up gut smokehouse style, so watch and enjoy. All right, bushel of females right off the boat. Holy cow. Look at that, baby. Jeez. Fresh as fresh can get. Gonna boil those puppies up. Chow down, baby. Ha ha. All right, we're gonna get the seasonings in first. We got lots of salt. Lots of salt. Boy, my feet are gonna burn. It's that hot down here. And we got salt. And then we got Zatarain's Crab Boil, Old Bay, and then a homemade mix of a whole bunch of stuff. So, get the Zatarain bags in first. Get the seasonings in. Got some brown sugar in here, so it's last but not least, Old Bay. All right, give it a stir, cover it up. Get ready to do some cooking. All right, opening her up. Look at that. Woo. Woo. Lemons.
So then you rinse it with some clean water. And then we give a dog. How's it feeling there, Rick? No barnacle cuts this time for you?
Look at this boil.
Also, I gotta try that hat on. Holy, give me a hard time last year. Hey, James, careful with your Crocs, all right? I'd like not to have to fish them out.
Hey, Daddy!
What?
Come here!
What?
Here come the crabs. Right here, Max. Right there, buddy, right there. Perfect. Open them up, let's take a look at them. Oh, nice and cozy.
Puppy was dead. Wait, what?
Yeah, they gotta be alive.
Watch out.
Keep alive and then you put them right away.
Watch out, very hot lid.
Yeah, don't put that.
Stay away from that.
Man, oh man, look at this. Yeah. The last time we did crab, they were leftovers.
They tell him to ask you.
No, yeah, I thought I tore that open enough. No.
Man, he was gonna like. So what do you want next?
Ready? Little Smokies going in.
Sausage is coming.
Kielbasa. And do the pearls.
Skins on.
Yep.
Obviously. Yes.
Pearl onions, garlic.
Asparagus.
No, that goes in way at the end. Do the mushrooms. Yep. They're okay?
You smoke Kielbasa or anything, you just buy it and cut it. Scrub it. Yeah, like, and then just
Or Max, here, let me. Oh, you got, yeah.
Careful, as soon as you open that, they're getting in. You just hold it over and let them jump out.
They would. All right, off comes the lid. Holy cow.
Start yourself.
Put the basket in. Okay, all right. That's it, Jake. Yep, get the basket in there. Keep it in there. They'll calm down. They don't have a choice.
Did he get you, Phil?
Escape.
Nope.
Come on, Phil. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him.
Uh-oh.
Oh, there's another one. They're tag teaming him.
Come on. Oh, yeah, there she is.
Oh, she's a beauty.
Yeah, she's... Oh, that one wasn't so lucky?
All right, take the lid off. Yep. This video brings back a nostalgic memory of yesteryear when Lynn carrying the beef brisket box to the judges table, surrounded by her family of Secret Service, returning to a canopy of family, only to find out later that she delivered the Virginia Brisket State Championship box. Nice and gentle. How much room left in there?
No.
Bushel of females.
Exactly the right size.
That worked out good. Good deal.
It's amazing it's back up to a simmer already.
Yeah, it doesn't take long. It's this boil, and I have it on low. Yeah, this is insane. This thing. It is 95 degrees, real feel of about 113, standing over 200,000 BTU burner. Life is good. All right. All right, now the hard part. Getting that pot probably close to 100 pounds.
We need to walk it down to...
Walking down here.
And John, down there.
Into the river to cool off.
We're going to let him go now, right?
You go as slow as you need to.
Can you stand right there?
Water?
There's going to be some water access, yes. Put some... put some shoes of some sort on so you don't touch them. All right, I do, so you two do this, and I'll go ahead, the two of us can be down there. You don't want to mess up the shoe. Right there, and then we'll hoist it up there, and then...
Keep it as level as possible because it's very full of boiling water. Okay, that was not easy.
Okay, so let's move it over to here. Gotta make sure it's level if we can. There we go.
It's all right if it spills some. It's just I don't want anybody to get burned. That's all.
We don't want our feet still on.
And then right behind Jake, where your right foot is, it's a pretty flat area. If you can. A little bit more. Yep. A little bit more. Come on. No. The champ is getting groggy. Woo. He's getting groggy. Ow. He's down. He's down. And right back up. He's going to continue. continue on.
Guys, no, pulling it off.
Just get it on that rock there, and just, guys, just flatten it on that rock. If you move it just a little bit more, there's a...
So right here. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out.
Good, Jake? Yeah.
Okay. Let's set it here.
Woo! Good work, guys.
Wow.
That was scary. Let me know you're ready. Yep, all good. Down. Put it here. Hold on. Ready? Down.
I'm stuck.
I'm stuck. When does the sand start? Hold on.
Oh, down he went.
Yucky.
Ew.
Ew.
Ah, there he goes.
Alright. I think it's too dangerous to go out any
Yeah,
further.
this is as far as I'm going.
Alright, can I do it with the paddle this? So just pull it out and just do this. What we're trying to do is cool this off so the crabs can soak up all that goodness for about 30 minutes. So you're having this river water, it's about 78 degrees. That'll help cool this down real quick because it's moving around it, so any of the hot water gets washed away by the cool water almost immediately. Now what we should notice is, oh, there goes my shoe. What we should notice is some of these things starting to sink. And that's a sign that the water's cooling off enough. Sure, they'll sink and start soaking up that goodness. All right, asparagus right on top. Not gonna sink that, just let that go. All right, the final.
Yeah, wait.
Final word, all right.
All right, I'll do it quickly.
Yeah, here comes the rain.
Oh, it's hot.
All the kids back up, please.
Where's paddle?
Hey, Marie, right here. You got this. Is it hot?
Hold it like this.
Yeah, there you go.
No, paddle right there. That's
Look at that. Little summer storm coming through. Good work, guys.
Hey,
All right, who's the biggest crab eater? You. How about you? Are you the biggest crab eater? Yeah.
Watch out, Joseph.
Here comes the dump.
Oh, yeah.
We're crafting.
You?
Come back the other way, because we got vegetables down there.
Somebody went with
Woo!
That was well played.
Nice job.
Watch out.
Wow.
gonna be hot.
It's not.
There's Old Bay right here.
Gonna break break a body open there.
All right, Joseph, let's see.
Okay, remember this? Wait, is this the meat?
That's the meat. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, it's not a ton for each crab. That's
Yeah, so
why
you-
it's sort of the fun of it.
Yeah, you got to really pick.
You gotta
like
work.
crazy.
I'm doing this last over here.
Yeah, that's fine.
All right, let's see how this tastes.
Here, Jojo. Here's your first little bit.
How is it, Chef?
That's the juiciest crab I've ever had.
Is it? Are they pretty heavy?
Yeah.
Yeah, because he said
They're totally full.
good. Good. All right, let's take a fly over.
We need a tutorial. It's been
Okay.
Oh,
All right.
I know how to do
So
it.
who wants to do the claw?
Me.
Okay, both of you guys. I see. See how it's this part and this part?
Yeah,
Okay, you go
right.
like this. All right, so this never comes out. Never does. And
Get that.
if it comes out,
And then you pull the rest out and use it.
yeah. So what you need to do is bust into these two pieces. So pretty claws, but they're in there somewhere.
Hurry.
So peel that off.
Wait, can I show you how to do the claw?
Yeah, I'll show you again. Sure.
No,
And then you-
I want to show Marie.
Jojo, look at that.
So you got it right here.
Are you okay?
Peeling that off. That.
Oh,
And then the
Jojo.
rest.
That's
Hold on, can I
actually
get you
that
some Old
orange
Bay?
stuff is
So this
something you
one-
ought to
look
eat,
at all
but
that.
then you probably won't.
Where is it?
I'm gonna eat it.
Where is it?
And then you break it in half,
You
and this
have
is what
got
you
to-
end up with. So
I'll do the rest.
once you get to here,
I'll
give it a squeeze and go like
And there's butter.
this out. And then all this meat starts coming out. So you have to, it's a lot of picking, a lot of, I'll keep helping you out.
Marie, here, right? Can I show you how to do the claw?
Help. Get Uncle Philip. I need
Wait, no, there's the one.
This is living right here, baby.
So you can dig
Memory
that
for the
meat right
kids,
out.
I'll never forget.
Throw your shit.
All right, so I'm gonna get a video here of the things that happen when you bring family together over food, especially a big boil, something different. All right, now look at this. Look at that. They're having their own little picnic with crabs, corn, potatoes, carrots, and loving it.
Let's try this again.
I'm making,
This. Look at this.
but
I'm going to try to do big.
But I will make you one. Are you starting a new one? You can finish the other one.
Heading home, exhausted, but what a great jam-packed day full of festivities. From Gut Smokehouse, goodbye.